Looking to stay cool as you relax on summer campouts or at the championship game? The classic mesh furniture collection brings big comfort to any seating arrangement. The whole collection is constructed with mesh on the back and on the seat to keep the air flowing so you won't overheat. Add a burly 600 denier polyester and a strong powder-coated steel frame, and this furniture is built to last. The armrests adjust, allowing you to dial in the comfort, while the insulated and adjustable cup holders can be sized to fit your cold beverage of choice. The multi-use padded roll tote lets you pack up the chairs without the struggle of a too small storage sack. Just place the feet into the pocket, wrap it up, click the buckles, and you're good to go. Grab these handles to use the roll tote as a load hauler for multiple chairs, firewood, or whatever else you need to carry. And when your hauling is done, use the tote as a floor mat to keep you and your stuff out of the dirt. The mesh low-down chair is great if you're flying solo, and the mesh low love seat is perfect if you're cuddling with a sweetheart. Either way you go, you'll get a camp chair that's Kelty built to last for many seasons to come with the classic mesh furniture collection.
The King Kong chair by Alps Mountaineering has been a fan favorite for over 10 years. Our highest weight rated chair, the King Kong has a beefy powder-coated steel frame with a generous seat width of over 24 inches. 3 large pockets keep your gear off the ground, and the 2 cup holders are a great feature for those summer days. Perfect for the campsite or your kid's soccer game, the King Kong easily folds up into its included carry bag.
The Kajaro Dual Lock chair features the Kajaro Dual Lock experience and is made from diamond ripstop polyester with a breathable mesh back. The Kajaro Dual Lock chair weighs just under 9.5 pounds, but can hold up to 300 pounds with no sag seating, 2 different sized mesh cup holders, and a side pocket organizer. The Kajaro Dual Lock chair provides you with superior seating and portability. Kajaro, journey on.